Hi, this is Handy TF. In this video, we are going to show you how to clean this roof shingles easily without power washing. Power washing can damage siding, shingles and composite roofs made of wood, laminate, fiberglass or slate. The Wet and Forget has been my go-to outdoor cleaner, so I tried it first. After I spray the Wet and Forget on the shingles, I let it sit for 4 weeks. As you can see, it does absolutely nothing, a total failure. Then I try this 30 seconds outdoor cleaner. Before you use any of these chemicals, make sure you protect yourself, especially your face and your eye. I found this type of face shield is very comfortable to wear. Apply the cleaner when your roof is dry, preferably in the morning or when it is cooler, so the cleaner doesn't just evaporate as quick. Saturate the area. When it's thoroughly sprayed, you'll start to see the cleaner go white and bubbly and the stuff you're cleaning off will start to look brown. This is your cue to stop spraying. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. This will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. I let the cleaner to remain on the surface for about 15 minutes, and apply the cleaner for the second time because the stain was pretty bad. I let it sit for another 15 minutes, then thoroughly rinse the area to remove the cleaner and loosened dirt. If any plants were accidentally sprayed with the cleaner, make sure to spray them down with water to dilute any residue. As you can see, this 30 seconds outdoor cleaner did a pretty good job, effortless. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.